could have depending on, oh snap. Yo, I just wasted the oil everywhere. What the?
What I'm going to do next is I'm still following the LCO method, which is the liquid, the cream, and in this case it's going to be conditioner, and then the oil is going to seal it. So I am going to use this again, which is my Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask, and it's also, you can also use it as a leave-in conditioner. So I'm just going to use a little bit to apply to my hair. Once I put some on my hair, I'm then going to come back with the oil. So what I'm going to do is I do want to do a hot oil treatment, and with the hot oil treatment I'm not going to use a heavy oil such as the castor oil. I usually use the Jamaican black castor oil, but I want to use that on my scalp. I want to use that on my scalp, and I want to use a lighter oil on my hair. And of course afterwards I'm going to kind of like rinse it. So I am going to use this just generic extra virgin olive oil. I only use this for my hair only. Shout out to LJ for hooking me up with the extra virgin olive oil that I'm going to use specifically for my hair. Now I am going to go ahead and cover it with a plastic bag, just a lightweight. It's so light, you all. It is so light. And usually if you have, depending on, oh snap, oh, I just wasted the oil everywhere. What the world? All right, I gotta pause real quick because you know oil is a mess. It's all over the rug. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to throw this in the washing machine. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you all, I just dropped the whole thing of oil. Gosh. Well, it's a good thing. It's a good thing kind of that it's on the rug. So I am going to just scoop the rug up on my way in the back. I have my blow dryer heating up, and then we're gonna go from there. So what I was saying is that it is best to like have your hair steamed or something like that, so that way, or straight out the shower, that way your cuticles are open and it could receive the oil that you're putting in. So I'm gonna actually, look, I'm gonna use this plastic wrap. I'm gonna use this regular old plastic wrap. Am I the only one that have plastic wrap and really don't use it for anything else? I don't use plastic wrap for anything else, but somehow I'll have like this roll of plastic wrap for like 18 years and never use it, So I'm just gonna use this. I'm just gonna wrap my hair. I knew this would be helpful one day. Well, I gotta get this oil. The carpet, the rug, not the carpet, but the rug is black. So if it's destroyed, I'll just get another one. Kind of tangle it up here. Detangle. I have to detangle the saran wrap in order to get it on my head. All right, so I definitely want to make sure all my hair is covered, so that way when I get under the dryer, no heat escape, especially at the yeah, that's it. All right, so I'm gonna go sit in the dryer for probably like about 30 minutes. Give me a good hot oil treatment, and I'm gonna rinse it out. Come back still later. All right, you all, so this is 1 year. Woo! So what I did was, it's so coarse, and even though I gave myself the hot oil treatment, you all, it is still so coarse. So I did have to blow dry it out a little bit because I am about to get a protective style, and the shrinkage is real on this. And when I tell you, without it being blow dry, there is no way that I'll be able to get my fingers through to get it braided. So yeah, this is it. This is 1 year. I cut my hair, shaved it off, 2020. And it was April 2020. And so this is 1 year. You know. Happy hair anniversary to you, Mo. You all, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. You all stay amazing. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this video because I am going to continue this journey. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the thumbs up. Hey you all, what do you use to condition your hair? Have you all ever used a hot oil treatment? Please leave that below. And I thank you all for coming along on this journey, you all. Have an amazing day.